Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a calm, cool, and collected black currant color. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. And included in your XLE package is your 7-inch touch panel display, as well as your backup camera and your power liftgate for the ultimate driving convenience.
Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the power liftgate and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there, locking up those doors now. I'm going to put the keys in my pocket. By simply running your hand across the handle, you can unlock the doors without having to fish for your keys. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty interior. On the side here, you have your black trim with your power windows and your power locks. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors with your heated steering wheel, your lane departure alert, and your power liftgate. Of course, you have your full set of all-weather floor mats, and your driver's seat is power adjustable, so you are driving away in the ultimate comfort. And check out these extremely comfortable black interiors with that contrasting white stitching to tie that sporty style together. And of course, letting in all that light as your power tilt and side moonroof. Definitely going to be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your RAV4 with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting and that welcome screen. Taking a look at your dashboard, you do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. You have your Toyota safety sense features and your star safety system open right now, so you can set the sensitivity of those sensors and turn on and off those alerts. You also do have your hands-free calling, your volume control and mode changers, as well as your voice command. On this side here, you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from below your steering wheel. A nice feature to have on those highway drives. Of course, mentioned before, you have your heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. And taking a look at your LCD screen, now you have your audio system open to your AM/FM radio. You also do have your CD player on top, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen. A nice, easy to read system to keep everything and everyone nice and safe. Below here, you can see that you have your convenient dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You have your electronic automatic climate control, and you have that air conditioning as well, so it will definitely come in handy during those hot Alberta summers. And during those cold winters, you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your eco and sport drive mode, as well as your heated mirrors, your USB auxiliary input, and your 12-volt DC charger. Plenty of media storage below. Here we're seeing that black trim as the motif inside of your RAV4. You have that stylish shift knob with that chrome detailing and that leather trim on your parking brake, your cup holders, of course, and in your center console you have that top shelf for any smaller items. Plenty of space inside below to store everything that you need. And of course, tying all of that style together is that leather trim, part of that Toyota quality, with that contrasting stitching that stretches all the way across your dashboard. You have your open shelving unit for storage, and below in your glove box you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your RAV4. Plenty of sporty and functional features built right into your RAV4 XLE, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there, and it'll open up for you. A nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. As you can see, you have the guide for your tonneau cover on the side there, which offers just the right amount of privacy and stores away nicely in the back of your RAV4, so you never have to leave home without it. You do have your spare tire, your tools, and your jack underneath as well in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You have your cargo lamp for visibility, and to reactivate that power lift gate, simply press that button up there. It'll warn you that it's coming down. Taking a look at your exterior, you have your rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. And standard, you have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You can see that you have your chrome XLE all-wheel drive badging as we take one more look at the back of your RAV4.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Built right into your RAV4 is your Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to ensure the ultimate safety and comfort. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.